Red Mountain, 800 feet elevation gain, 3 miles round trip.
Let's get it.
Woo!
That was awesome.
We're gonna show you how to get the best view of the Manitou Incline this morning. We're gonna go up Red Mountain. So come on, let's go. Parking on Ruxton Avenue is gonna be here at the Iron Springs Chateau. It's $10 a day. Or alternatively, you could park at the free Hiawatha parking area in downtown Manitou Springs. And there's this shuttle that'll come and it'll actually drop you off right here. It's also a free shuttle too. The first part of this trail is on Inman Trail, and you're gonna take this, you're gonna pass the Iron Springs, and then you're gonna do a U-turn to the right. All right, we made it to the top. There's 2 ways to get to the summit. The first way is you climb up these rocks right here. There's a little lower spot in it that you can climb up across in. And the second part is the trail over here, just to the right. This is the path that most people take. And it just goes up right there. A little bit of height exposure, so be careful. I like to take this way because I enjoy the small little climb. Red Mountain, 800 feet elevation gain, 3 miles round trip.
Let's get it.
Woo!
That was awesome. So fun.
The view up here is beautiful. You have nice 360-degree views of not only the city, but also just the rolling foothills. And you have Pikes Peak and the Incline right behind you. All right, that was Red Mountain. What'd you guys think?
It was awesome. Thank you for taking us on.
Yeah, happy to.
The view was amazing.
Very cool. Make sure you do it.